Hi, this is Visi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to read message on Messenger without them knowing. Before you get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. Facebook Messenger is a great tool for communication, but it can also be very intrusive. Sometimes you might not want to reply to a message immediately, and yet we also don't want to appear to be rude by ignoring it. And that is why you are here. You want to know how to read messages on Messenger without them knowing. It's so simple. So when you send message on Facebook Messenger, you'll see the circle with a thick inside appear to the next box. Then, if the recipients open it, this will disappear and be replaced by the person's icon like this. So, how to turn off this? You can just turn off your read receipt. How to do it? So simple. So you can choose on the chat that you want to uh, read the message without them knowing. Now you can open the profile page. You can just scroll down. On privacy and support, there is an option read receipts. You can just tap on that. So you can turn off the read receipt by tap on the toggle on here. So this person won't be able to see when you've read their messages. And also, you won't be able to see when they've read your message. You can go back, and as you can see, the icon of this person is disappear from this chat and also on their message. It's a simple right. So that is how to how to read message on Messenger without them knowing. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.